Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Last chapter, you learned about using collections to manage and organize your Lightroom Classic CC catalog. Collections are also useful when you're trying to find specific photos. To search for photos using collections, click to select one or more items that appear within the Collections panel. If you select a collection set, then all the collections within the collection set will be displayed in the grid view and the film strip. Depending on the way you create and organize collections in Lightroom Classic CC, displaying a collection may be all you need to find a specific photo. However, you can also refine a collection display further by using the Library filter bar. Simply apply a text, attribute, or metadata filter from the Library filter bar with the collection or collection set displayed.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.